It's a 2019 Buick Enclave. Ample seating and storage, inviting interior space, and thoughtful technologies make this Enclave the inevitable choice for an SUV. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice activation, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and LED low and high beam headlights. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.